Legal regulations in Indonesia.
Definition: legislation is a law that is made in writing that regulates all the joints of the peoples live in the country. The type of law. First, laws in the formal sense are law and regulation made by the President together with the House of Representatives or DPR. This is contained in Article 5, Paragraph 1 and Article 20, Paragraph 1 of the 1945 Constitution. Second, law in the material sense in the legislation itself, so that law in the formal sense is part of it. The law and regulation in Indonesia. 1. Legislation at the central level is made by the state apparatus and applies to all regions of Indonesia as well as states institutions domiciled in the center of the country. Second, laws at the regional level are made by the regional head by requesting approval from the Regional Representative Council or DPRD. This regulation applies to citizens who reside or migrants in the area. The benefit of legislation. 1. For the life of the nation and state to be orderly, safe, and prosperous. 2. Maintain order in the community. 3. Ensure the rights of citizens. 4. Regulate citizens' obligation. And 5. Provide guidance and limitation for this institution. The kinds of regulation or legislation. First, central regulation. 1945 Constitution, TAP MPR, Undang-Undang, Perpu, PP, Perpres and Kepres, and then regional regulation. There are province regulation and district regulation. The example of regulation in central level. 1. RI Law number 31 of 1999 concerning eradication of corruption crime. 2. Law of the Republic of Indonesia number 22 year 1997 concerning narcotic chapter 12 article 78 to 99. 3. Regulation concerning taxes can be seen in the Law of the Republic of Indonesia number 19 of 2000. 4. Law of the Republic of Indonesia number 23 of 2002 concerning child protection. The example of regulation in regional level. 1. Regulation of the Governor of DKI Jakarta number 75 of 2005 chapter 4 concerning areas no smoking. 2. Bandung City, namely the regional regulation of Bandung City number 03 of 2005 concerning the implementation of order, cleanliness and beauty. 3. Regional regulation of Tangerang Municipality number 8 series E of 2000 concerning prohibition of prostitution.
Critical thinking.
Why does each country form legislation? In order to the government run well that can achieve the goal of nation, create the harmonious, safe, and prosperous life, applying the Pancasila value.
Number 3. Compare legislation at the regional, provincial, and central level. The similarities. First, all of them for play UUD 1945. Second, for create the harmonious and safe community. Differences. Municipal or regional made by the region. Apply for the regional citizens. Provincial made by the governor and DPRD. Apply for provincial citizens. Central made by the DPR president and DPD. Apply for all of Indonesia. Creative.
How can the existing laws and regulation in Indonesia not overlap between regional and central regulation? The draft regional regulation or Raperda can come from the DPRD or regional head, governor, regents, or mayor. The draft regulation prepared by the regional head is submitted to the DPRD, while the regional regulation draft DPRD is formatted and the governor or regent or mayor is delivered by the DPRD leader to the governor or regents or mayor to be ratified as a regional regulation. Pasal 7 ayat 5 menentukan kekuatan hukum peraturan perundang-undangan adalah sesuai dengan hierarki peraturan perundang-undangan. So, in order existing laws and regulation in Indonesia now overlap between regional and central regulation, which do harmonization start from the preparation or planning step and discussion process with DPRD.
How can young people contribute to the preparation of legislation? 1. The young people can delegate become legislative institution. 2. Controlling the process of preparation and manufacture of legislation. 3. Don't give retribution with by means of violence. How can the 1945 Constitution be implemented purely and consequently by state administrators? 1. Implement it with a place in UU, Peraturan Pemerintah, Peraturan Presiden, and Peraturan Daerah. 2. Give sanction suitable the legislation in central and regional. Collaborative. Create counseling events for the younger generation about 4 pillars. The answer? To upgrade the younger generation. Nationalism. So, counseling events are: first, learning program about 4 pillars. Second, planting characters in learning process. Third, celebrate the Independence Day. Fourth, collaboration cultures event.
Communicative. Please present your work in front of your friends. That's the end of the material of legal regulation in Indonesia. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.